Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews doing another video today, and yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S9 Plus, but before I get into the review, check this out. Okay everyone, so yes, in this video, I'm going to review this case from SUPCASE for your Galaxy S9 Plus. It's actually that Unicorn Bettle Pro series. Shout out to them for actually sending this to me for review. But bam, there it is on Amazon. It does have a belt clip on there for you. So this one is a heavy duty case. I'm going to definitely get into it. It comes in 4 different colors. It has black, you have the blue one, you have the pink, and the white one. So I have the black one. That one's $24.99. The other 3 are $22.99, which is pretty good. They are all Prime eligible. So again, you get it within 2 days. Again, if you want to pause that, you can definitely read that too. But let's get into the packaging. Look at that. Bam. Drop protection, military standard. On the back here too, if you want to pause that, you can read that too. But that's enough of that. Let's get, I mean, man, this case is nice. Just the packaging is nice. Alright, so you have a happy, not happy sticker. That's put that on the side. That looks like the top of the case. Then on here it tells you to read the instructions. I think we can all do this, hopefully. Alright, so you have the case here. Look at that SUPCASE branding on the clip. It acts like a kickstand too. Here's the TPU part of it. Man, look at that. So we can put that on the side. Let's see what else you get. So this is the top. The top does come, that was pretty easy. Not get trolled. That was actually pretty easy too. So the top does come with a little screen protector. If you want to punch that out, you can actually do so if you have one on there already. If you don't, hey, this might give you the protection you're looking for. So I'm going to put that on the side. Let's go over the case really quick. You have your volume rockers. You have your Bixby button, which is raised and also has a texture on it. You have your little grips on the side. You have your cutouts with little flaps, which is pretty cool. Then you have your speaker and your microphone. Power button. Also is ridged too. A little branding on the side right there. SUPCASE. Alright, so let's see if we can get the phone in there. Alright, so put this down. Supposed to pop that in there first. Then it should fit without showing all my numbers off. Oh, bam. That is beautiful. Even with the screen protector on there. Look at the lip action. Look. Bam, you can see the blue my screen is showing. Look at the camera cutouts. I mean, that is great. Look at the cutout at the top. Man, it's way down in there. Also, the cutout, look, the flaps. Flaps are there. Bam, you put that in there. That too. Man, this is a nice case. Let's see how it fits. So you can actually, if you wanted to, you can put it down like this. Clip it in there good. And then actually turn this around. Bam, you got a nice kickstand. If you're watching videos, if you're watching my videos, Forbes Tech Reviews videos, put it like that, set it up, have some fun watching it. But then if you want to carry it around, you can put it this way, put it on your belt. There you go. Look at that branding there. So if you want to pick up this case, which is man, this is a great case. Man, this one definitely will protect your phone. So if you work in construction, if you do a lot of work walking around, this case might be, for you. So if you want to pick it up, I will have the link in the description. You can get it from Amazon. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button for more coverage on the Galaxy S9 Plus. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.